Can I walk and get it first? Just because you know where it is, can I get it? First of all, Gladys, don't be running up on me like that.
Ooh, them Chickie Babies, them Chickie Babies. Ooh, that little Chickie Baby running. Ooh, you're so big.
Hey, 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 hey! The hell? You mean, Chickie Babies? What we doing, sugar? What? How many more days we got? I want to see my Chickie Babies. Oh, Nancy came up out of there. She said, hold up. It's enough. Ooh. What that mean? They was too close to you? What that mean? She gonna fuck you up.